moments and every single day, when a burst of PK freshness will help you on your way. Taste the PK freshness, feel the pleasure right away. Get a burst of PK freshness to help you on your way. Share the PK pleasure, taste the freshness right away. Get a burst of PK freshness and have a happy day.